So I wanted to talk to you about 5 products that I really would prefer that my patients and you all stay away from. There was one item going around, or some influencers talking about charcoal toothpaste. Charcoal is quite abrasive, and although we're going for whitening your smile, it's just too abrasive and can lead to sensitivity. Another thing that I saw online was oil pulling, particularly with coconut oil, but there's just not enough research that support its antiseptic properties. On its own, coconut oil may have these properties, but in the mouth, bathed in saliva, and saliva has a neutralizing component to it because it's the first part of digestion. So is this coconut oil really that effective? The jury's still out. Until we have some sturdy evidence on that, I'm just not going to suggest it for my patients. The OG toothbrush, manual, hard toothbrush. Some of my patients, some of my guys think that they're really going to town cleaning their teeth, but those manual toothbrushes, especially the hard ones, are just ripping up your gums. And some folks will even say, I feel it like tingly. Yeah, those are scratches on your gums and it's like burning. So electric toothbrushes, let the electric toothbrush do the job. It really is better than circle, circle, swish, swish, like what we learned in elementary school. Another thing that I don't like are the tongue scrapers. Folks just, again, go Hercules with these things and you're just ripping your taste buds. And there have been a few cases where folks have diminished sense of taste. And I want you to enjoy your food. Really, your toothbrush can do the job to gently clean your tongue. It's the OG Listerine, probably the first thing they put on the market, mouthwash. The brown one, bottom shelf, they still sell it. I don't know why, but there's alcohol in that. And quite frankly, any mouthwash with alcohol in it is doing some damage to your gum tissue. It's very frail, delicate tissue that we have in our mouths, and it just cannot tolerate a consistent bathing in alcohol. It dries the tissues up, and there's been some conversation about increasing your risk of oral cancer. So for my patients and everyone watching, I just don't want you guys dealing with that. So stick with mouthwashes that have fluoride in them.